Today, I have for you a very delicate bracelet, which is based on a modified herringbone technique. Easy to make, fast, and elegant. Why not keep watching and learn how to bead it?
Hello lovely beaders! Today I have a very basic tutorial for you. I would call a modified herringbone stitch. As you can see, here we have a plain 2 beads herringbone stitch, and from place to place we insert an extra bead, and this way we can create a very nice strap, thin strap that can be used as a bracelet in itself, or can be used to create the bracelet strap when we have another focal point, in this case a beautiful bezel Rivoli. I am going to use some 11/0s. So we start our herringbone with the usual 1, 2, 3, and 4 seed beads. We close them in a circle and create 2 stacks of 2 beads each, one by the other. Now we continue with a normal herringbone stitch, so we pick up 2, go down through the next bead, we stack up the beads, and then we turn the work and step up through the next 2 beads. And we continue, pick up 2 seed beads, go down the next seed bead, 1, go down 1, then we can move the thread horizontally and then go up 2. And this is our herringbone step up. And let's do one more. Pick up 2 seed beads, go down 1. In this case I'm turning the work, the thread horizontal at the same level, and 2 beads up. Now let's create the modified part, and in my original design every 3 stacks of herringbone I'm adding the modification, the modified. So I pick up 1, 2, and 3. The second one can be the same color but I'm just using a different color for easier understanding. And we continue with the usual one, with the usual herringbone stitch. So go down 1, go horizontally at the same level and up 2. And here we have our central bead. Now we continue 1, 2 seed beads, go down the next usual seed bead, and now we make sure that when we pull the thread, the third one that we have just added in the previous stitch is left on top, like this. And now with the thread to the right, go back up 2. So this stitch, I would call it the one that stabilizes this third bead. So now we just continue with the usual herringbone stitch for 3 rows. Here we go down 2, not 1, so we make sure that this is again reinforced. Thread to the right and go 3 up. So this was the first row. Then the second, just a normal herringbone. One down, 2 up. And now the third. Pick up 2, 1 down, 2 up. And now we continue, and let's try and use an 8/0, for instance, as the modified bead, the bead in the middle. So we pick up 1 normal bead, 1 8/0, and another bead, go down 1, thread to the right, 2 up, and here we pull the bead, the middle bead up, okay, to sit on top like this. And now we add the stabilizers, so 2 normal beads, go down 2, catch the bead from under like this, thread to the right, up 3. So this was the stabilizer. And now, as in the previous step, when we do our first herringbone, we go down 2, just to reinforce and to make sure that the bead was caught above the herringbone stitch. So this was 1. Now we continue with the second row. And here we can go down only one and up two. And then the last one, the third, 1, 2, thread to the right, up 2, down 1, thread to the right, up 2. And here we have our second detail, and you can continue as you wish with the same size of beads or with a larger size of the beads. And the result is like this, a very beautiful what we can call a tennis bracelet, or also a very beautiful alternative to create the strap, a very delicate strap, if you have a delicate focal point as this bezel rivoli. I hope you like this idea. I find it very pretty, very pretty. Thank you for watching. Please comment, subscribe, and see you with our next tutorial. Ciao ciao.